Good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. We had a little storm come by here. A lot of rain. I couldn't finish the last video. I couldn't go to the scrapyard. No, I could not. It started out real good. Bunch of stuff on Betty, but we got rained out, so we couldn't do anything. I emptied her out yesterday. Was the only chance I had, but I didn't have the camera with me. So, yeah, we'll see you. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody's okay, especially down here in Florida. So, we'll see you as soon as we get to the first item, and we'll turn this back on. See you in a few. All right, we got something here. Looks like it's gonna be a electric motor. Yeah. Connected to something, but it's an electric motor. I'll take an electric motor any day. And my neighbor gave me a washer. I'm sorry, an oven, and I took some parts off of it. So, what do we have here? This is just that's just the plastic part. I don't want any of that. All right, let's continue along. Starting to get windy again. There we go. Whoa, aluminum. Already taken apart. Yeah. Aluminum already taken apart. Even better. Let's keep rolling. All right. We got some kind of pipe here. Let's see what we got here. Somebody's canopy fell apart. Bungee cord wasn't gonna hold that together. Let's break it loose. There we go. Put it right in here. Help us hold that together. Doesn't matter. Does it really matter? No, it doesn't matter. Come on. Why are you being so hard-headed? Alright, there you go. That's where you want to go? There you go. We'll take the bungee. Bungee always helps. Oh, falling apart. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, some kind of electronic. Oh, heavy electronic too. Gotta have some goodies inside. Yeah, gotta have some kind of goodies. All right, let's go. Let's roll. All right, we got a couple of items here. Let's see what we got. We have, oops. This feels like aluminum. Aluminum it is. All of this is aluminum. Looks like a tripod. We got a buggy. Let's get the buggy. We got another tripod. What do we have here? Skewers? Nah, they're not skewers. been looking for one of these. We have a lot of trouble cleaning the fans at home. There we go. We got one. There we go. We got a lamp. DoorDash. Little basket. Let's grab us the lamp. We'll cut the cord in a little bit because, like I said, it's raining. So, what else we got in here? That's it? No. Oh. We got a cord. Oh, garbage man is here. All right, boss. Well, we got ourselves a vacuum with the cord. All right. Let's take the vacuum. Heavy one too. All right, we'll just put it right here. Like I said, we're gonna fix that in a little bit. Let's roll. Is this hardware? Hardware's always good. Type of bed frame. Let's put it right back here. There we go. Yeah, we don't need that. Well, that's too much concrete. I'm taking that. We'll dunk that right there. All right, let's roll. All right, we got something here. Looks like a mini fridge. And the stove is moving. Let's put the stove back where it belongs. Is it a mini fridge? Yes, it is a mini fridge. Oh my goodness. All right, well, we'll throw that away. No problem. Let me fix this here. All right, let's get this in here. We'll stop somewhere and throw this out. Ooh. My goodness. All right. Well, let's roll. All right, we are done. Not much out here today. So we're gonna go home. I got a couple of things that I can put on Old Betty to make it a full load. See if we can try at least. All right. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we're done. We're going to the scrapyard. We got some stainless steel. A whole bunch of stainless steel that we're gonna turn in. Some electric motors, 2 compressors, irony aluminum, and scrap. And I gotta keep that aluminum over there. So yeah, I got some stuff that I'm gonna turn in. That's all I got. So yeah, I'll see you in the scrapyard. All right, we're here. Yes, we are. Let's see what we get for all this good stuff. That's it for the stainless. Strainers out. All right, there you go. There we go. Only one chair. Only two of those.
There's a side on the castle.
That is?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's okay.
When I wait this one,
I'll put that one on there.
And put the other one.
No problem. Same one? Okay. There you go. All right. Ferris. Yes, we are. We are done with the non-ferrous. Now we got to go unload Betty. Get rid of the scrap we got back there. 3740. 3740. Get Betty unloaded. What's up, boss man? Oh my goodness. What's that? No, I was just cleaning up. Not much out on the street today, so I cleaned up some. Yeah. But you know what? Every day we can get something, it's better than nothing. Yeah. Get out of the house. Yeah, we've been thinking about that. I've noticed that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get this out of here. I forgot about the vacuum, but it's already done. I'm not taking, oh, ouch. I'm not taking it back home. that's that. We'll give old Betty a sweep and clean out tomorrow. All right, let's roll. All right, our weight out is 3680. 3680, 3680. Yeah, I'm sorry, 3480. 3480.
Okay with it.
Let's go. All right, so we were able to salvage it. 55 pounds of stainless steel at 20 cents, $11. 15 pounds of irony cast aluminum at 13 cents. What is that? $1.95. Well, $1 in chair. 56 pounds, 13 cents of the air compressor, $7.28. What is this? Electric motors. 87 pounds at 15 cents, $13.05. And $14.30 in scrap. 48.58. 48.58 it is. All right, so we were able to salvage it. Thank you for another episode. Thank you for everything that you guys do. Thank you for everything. And we'll see you on another episode of Treasure Coast Scrapper. All right, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. Donation time. Let's run over and get rid of this. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the kids' bike 6. And some rims, some loose ends and stuff. So, yeah, let's go get rid of this stuff. Let's go do the donation. We'll see you in a few. All right, we made it to the donation center. Let's donate some bikes.
Pull down?
Here, I got some loose rims so they won't fall on us.
Okay.
So just in case,
Okay.
if you need rims, there's some.
I never knew which way to push it.
Oh, there you go. And one more loose one.
I got it. Okay, since I got it.
There you go. All right. There you go. This one has a little bit of glue. Be careful with that glue, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good deed.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, that was real nice. And so is this one.
Yeah.
So is this one. That's it. It's lightweight too. It's not one of those racing bikes, I guess.
Yeah, except it doesn't have racing wheels, but man.
Yeah. Yeah, only one of them is a little rusty in the back, the rims, but that's why I brought the other rims, just in case. I don't know, whatever it is. I know what you guys do, so
Yeah.
have at them.
Is that a camera?
Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah. I have a YouTube channel, so I record whatever I do and put it in the video and stuff like that. Yeah. All right.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. All right. So we'll see you in about 2 weeks.
Okay.
All right. All right. Our good deed, always. All right, so now we are done with the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything that you do. And we'll see you on another episode. Treasure Coach Scrapper.